Good morning. Today I'm going to be making some different kind of breakfast sausage patties. I need to get them made and get them in the freezer so we have them ready to go. About 11 days ago, I think it was, I made one recipe, and I've been looking around for different recipes, and I found this one, and I thought, I'm going to try it. I've never tried this recipe before, so it's about the same, except I'm adding some white beans to this recipe, and I'm adding fennel powder. I don't like the seeds of the fennel. They always got stuck in my teeth and stuff, and I just didn't like that feeling, but I got me some powder, so we're gonna add that for the flavor. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mash up your beans. And this is just a can of navy beans, and I rinsed them, drained them and rinsed them. And you're just gonna, and I'd use my blender, but it's so loud, I thought maybe I could just do the potato masher. So that's what we're gonna try. I think so. It looks like it's gonna be just fine. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. I know I am. I love to cook in the mornings. It's fun. I like to get things done in the morning. Yeah, they're mashing up really nice. I don't know if you can see that or not. But mash them all up. So I think it fills a person up more when they have beans. Okay, to that, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, thyme leaves. I don't add a whole lot. I just kind of dash them in there. You can add as much as you want. That's about all I add. I have this Italian seasoning that I use, and I just kind of dash that in too. But if I was to measure it, I'd probably put in 2 teaspoons if it was to be measured. Same with the turmeric. I just kind of sprinkle it in there. Turmeric's really good for you, so that's why I like to add it to stews and add it to meats and spaghetti sauces. Almost everything I add my turmeric and pepper. And I know I've said this so many times, but black pepper helps it stay in your body longer. Turmeric. So, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of fennel powder, because you want that flavor of sausage. So, and that'll give it lots of flavor. Okay. All right, then you're gonna wanna mix that up. Then start out with 2/3 cup of milk, plant-based milk. This is an almond, plant-based, non-sugar, non-flavored, it's just original. But you can use any plant-based you want. You can use, you could even use vegetable broth in something like this, and it would be good too. But we're gonna do the plant-based milk. Oh, it smells so good. Now, to this, you could add half of a chopped onion or a whole medium-sized onion to it. You could add some red peppers. Basically, you could add anything that you like to put in yours. But I thought for these, I'm just going to do a basic. And then on Saturday morning, when I make up sausages, I always make up some fried onions and peppers. And we always put that over top of our stuff anyway. So I'm not going to add it to mine, but it would be really good inside the sausages. And then I have 2 cups of oatmeal here. And I'm using quick oats, but you could use rolled oats and have more of a whole plant base, but these are quick oats that I'm using today. But I have used rolled oats before in these kind of substitute meats, and it's worked just great. So, okay. So, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and add another 1/3. So it'll be what it'll do is it will be a whole cup of plant-based milk. It's a little dry. And there we go. And then I've showed you before how I do this, where I get them ready to freeze. I use these little parchment papers. They're all pre-cut. And you've seen that I only use two dishes, a spoon, and a masher. And so I won't have very many dishes. I love that. Who likes dishes? Not me. So I try to keep it pretty simple here in my kitchen, in Mama's plant-based kitchen. You getting ready for the holidays? I'm gearing up. I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving video on what I make for Thanksgiving. So stay tuned for that. And then you just kind of make your little patties. And that's it. And you can take these and put them in the oven for like 5 minutes and turn them over and cook for another 10. Just watch them because you don't want them to burn at 350. So just put them on a cookie sheet. You'll have some really good whole plant-based sausages on your special breakfast mornings. I hope this helped. I think we're gonna really like this, and I hope you all do too. All right, let me know in your comment below. All right, bye-bye.